looks like we only got two titmice, three coming in regularly. So they come in waves. He's probably saying, this doesn't look like John. This guy's so conflicted. I'd give somebody else a turn. Where's that blue coat I'm used to, they're saying? Where's that funny looking hat? Oh, that was a good one. Oh, they're starting to come in now. Yep, they must have got the memo. Good job, Lisa. Okay? They started coming in good.
Yeah. Yeah, we got all of them.
Great, thank you for that.
I don't think anybody was coming while you were standing in the window.
Oh, my goodness.